Yeah, I gotta say once again, thanks to Herb Equipment for bringing some toys up here to Rizz Farm. And you know, we gotta do some mulching. So Mike and Chad here brought a tractor with them. And check this out. It says Captain Rizz on the side. All right, so we're gonna use this to get the mulch from yeah, and it's gonna go into the trailer. Yeah. So I don't know how to use this thing. So who's gonna show me how to operate this fine piece of machinery?
I got you covered, Rizz. This is a 3046R John Deere 46 horsepower tractor. Hop on in, man.
All
I
right.
can give you a little rundown of everything.
Where's the air conditioner?
That's as fast as you go. It's as the
Okay.
wind in your hair.
Okay.
Hey, the first thing you got to do is give it a crank over.
So I turn the key. Whoa!
At that point, that selective control valve, which is that lever right there, that'll operate that front loader. Pull back, that'll raise up. You pull it towards you, it'll tilt it in. There you go. And it'll do the opposite if you push it away from you. Dump. This will allow you to go forward, reverse. Very simple nowadays. With
Even I can figure that out. There's arrows. So the arrow pointed this way means go forward, and the arrow that way means go backwards that way. So where's the stereo?
The stereo, the next thing we're going to put in for
Okay.
you. Yeah, but right here, that's where you get all your RPM. So when you want to hit it and get it, push things forward.
Oh boy.
That's where all that horsepower comes.
So I would assume the rabbit is fast and the turtle is slow.
That is correct.
All right, mulch. Here we go. Yeah, baby. Bombs away! Now we gotta get that mulch onto that field. So I need to put that mulch in a trailer. So let's get the trailer down here. All right, so I need to hook this onto that. Thank God I have Chad and Mike here from Herb to help me out. So I'm gonna back up, and then you guys help me hook the trailer up to the tractor.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right. To the field. Not that one. So time to start mulching. Well, not me. I got some friends. I got some friends helping. So listen, I'm just gonna drive the tractor and they'll shovel the mulch out. Put it on the plants. You guys done yet?
We're waiting for you to pull forward.
Oh, I gotta pull forward.
Sitting up there chipping.